honestly say, you left impact in such a way. Please believe me. Shall I stop the feelings that flow? Other faces but yours, I know what time is it where you sleep. And I'll be there to spirit you, help you through disaster, morning after, morning after. And I'll be there to hold your hand, help you strongly stand, morning after, morning after. I would be anything that you wanted me to breathe your breath. I'm free. I will give you time and space. Please remember my face, the boy that had my dreams. And I'll be there to spirit you, help you through disaster, morning after, morning after. And I'll be there to hold your hand, help you strongly stand, morning after, morning after. I can feel me falling backwards. I can feel your shadow hanging over me. I will be there when the stars fall and your life feels like the shadow of me. And I'll be there to spirit you, help you through disaster, morning after, morning after. And I'll be there to hold your hand, help you strongly stand, morning after, morning after.
Kiitoksia, Adrian France.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. Yhdessä hyvän ystävänsä Joey Degnon kanssa. Good morning. Nice to see you
Morning,
here.
it's nice to
morning.
see you too.
Pakko kysyä se ensimmäinen ja tärkein kysymys heti alkuun.
Niin.
Tämä nuori nainen Amber on raskaana, kauniissa ja rohkeissa, ja juuri eilisiltana Brooke sai tietää asiasta. Brooke found out last night that you're pregnant. So
I
what will
saw
happen?
that. What will happen?
Yeah.
Well, you can expect Amber to turn the whole Forster family upside down from here on for about the next year. So
Upside down.
for the next year, she's going to get in everyone's life, and she's going to get a couple of people on her side. I could kind of
Like
give a
what?
little bit away. Maybe Stephanie. Stephanie's probably going to
Who
to
else?
be on her side. Stephanie is mainly going to be her big partner in this whole thing against
Supervisor.
Brooke. So, yeah, Brooke hates Amber, and she will always hate Amber, and there's no way that she's ever gonna love her. But everyone kind of starts to come around, you know, a little bit. one by one, but Stephanie is her big partner and everything.
Okay, I need to
Okay,
translate.
Okay.
Eli seuraavan vuoden ajan, uskokaa tai älkää, Amber aikoo sekoittaa Forresterien perheen elämää ja on näin ollen myös sarjassa keskipisteenä. Mitään kovin tarkkoja yksityiskohtia Amber ei kertonut, mutta 2 ihmistä on tulossa hänen puolelleen. Kaikki muut ovat häntä vastaan, erityisesti Brooke, joka inhoaa Amberia, mutta joka tapauksessa Stephanie
Voi olla, että lähtee puolelle.
voi, niin kuin kuvitella, voi lähteä Amberin puolelle. Mutta miksei yksityiskohtia? Can't you tell any more details? Or are you the producer?
I guess I could tell a little bit. It'll be
There's a question
our
of
secret, okay?
the baby's father.
Question of the baby's father. Well, you're not going to find out who the baby's father is until the baby's born. I can tell you that. So, of course. And there's going to be so much turmoil going on there. And Amber just weasels her way into everyone's life. And Rick, she's going to get Rick. And she's going to make him stay with her. And then there's going to be a couple other things that are going to happen along the way that... kind of put speed bumps in Amber's road to the Forrester kingdom, you know, but she always comes out on top, and she will, so.
Amber kohoaa vielä huipulle, eikä edes kysymys lapsen isästä voi tätä estää, mutta isyys tietysti selviää vasta, niin kuin sarjan tapaan kuuluu siinä vaiheessa, kun lapsi syntyy, mutta joka tapauksessa Rick ja Amber pysyvät yhdessä. Tämä myös terveisiksi sinne teille kotiin.
Aivan. Mä oon aivan järkyttynyt tästä. Mä en ole vilpittömästi seurannut kovinkaan paljon.
Mutta nyt alat.
Nyt ehdottomasti täytyy katsoa, että kuka sitten isä on. Näin on. So anyway, how was the flight?
Oh, long.
Was it long?
Yes.
Too long?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I slept most of the way, so I was happy with that. But yeah, it was pretty long. You have to watch movies and you have to like listen to your headphones and things, get your mind off
that's
of it.
life.
So it's life.
You know. Kysyin vaan sitten, että minkälainen lento oli. No sen tiedän, että se oli tietysti hankala ja 14 tuntia siinä menee, kun sieltä tulee Seattlen kautta tänne Suomeen, mutta that's life, sitähän se elämä on. Siitä huolimatta se menee nopeammin, mitä uskoitkaan.
Paitsi, että Amber esiintyy kaunissa ja rohkeassa, kuten kuulitte, hän myös laulaa. Se on toinen ura. Miten balanssi syntyy näiden 2 asian välillä ja kuinka kauniit ja rohkeat on laulamista edistänyt? How do you find balance between your singing career and your career in Bold and Beautiful?
How you handle it?
Well, how I see it is, when I'm acting, it's kind of like a giant scale. When I'm acting, I'm saying someone else's words and I'm portraying the character they want to say, and I'm just portraying the soul of the writer, what he wants me to convey. I'm doing, and so that's one thing. And then my music is like my soul and my words and everything. So if I don't have one if I don't have both of them, my life isn't balanced. So I have to have both of them so I can still be creative myself and express myself at the same time as expressing someone else's feelings and emotions.
What has been the effect of Bold and Beautiful on your singing?
Oh, it's been amazing. It's been amazing. Well, obviously, I've sang on the show, and I'm sure you guys have seen that. If you haven't, you will.
Okay.
You'll see more and more. My character sings on the show all the time, and it's my own music, so it's great because I get to kind of intertwine it all.
It's like a marketing at the same time.
Yeah, it's really great. I love it.
A clever girl.
Eli ilman toista ei ole toista. Näytellessä puhuu toisten kirjoittamia vuorosanoja. Tekee niin kuin tuottaja toivoo, mutta laulamisessa on sitten enemmän omaa itseä pelissä, varsinkin kun Amber esittää omaa musiikkia, niin kuin hän muuten jatkossa runsain mitoin tekee myös sarjassa. Ja kun kysyin, että millä tavalla kauniit ja rohkeat on vaikuttanut lauluuraan, niin hämmästyttävällä tavalla. Eli onhan se selvää, että kun sarja maailmanlaajuisesti saa julkisuutta, niin sitten laulaminenkin saa.
Näin on. Mutta mitenköhän se, että minkälainen tie on Michiganin tytöllä kulkea Michiganista Los Angelesiin ja kauniisiin ja rohkeisiin? Was it a difficult way walk from Michigan to Los Angeles to Bold and Beautiful? I mean, what kind of life?
Well, actually, first I went to New Jersey and New York, so I kind of got the hay out of my hair.
Yeah, hold on. How many years school in Michigan?
Oh, in Michigan?
Yeah.
I was there until I was 16.
Okay. 16 vuotta koulussa Michiganissa, please, yeah.
Yeah, it's about as cold as here. So
Okay.
I'm kind of used to the weather here.
yeah.
So then I moved to New Jersey.
Sitten muutettiin New Jerseyin, yeah.
And I finished high school there, and then I went up to New York to go to college.
Opetettiin high school ja sitten New Yorkissa.
And then I moved out from New York to California. So
What was the main reason?
For Sunset Beach, actually.
Sunset Beach.
So
it's soap opera.
Soap opera, yes.
Okay.
And then I did the little soapy switch, and I moved to Bold and Beautiful. I've been there for 2 years now, so I'm gonna continue to be on the show. I just signed a new contract. So.
Yeah, eli siis New Yorkista lähdettiin sitten Los Angelesiin.
Hän sanoi hauskasti, että matkalla Michiganista New Jerseyin hän sai heinät pois hiuksistaan, kun Michigania pidetään maaseutuna.
Niin joo, mutta sitten New Yorkista eteenpäin sieltä vasta joku loi se hänen Sunset, whatever, soap opera. Ja sitten sieltä hänet otettiin sitten kauniisiin ja rohkeisiin. Elämä jatkuu.
Nyt on taskussa uusi sopimus. Kauniiden ja rohkeiden tähdet ovat vierailleet Suomessa ennenkin, Erik, Sally, Brooke, ja he ovat kaikki suunnattoman tunnettuja ja suosittuja. Entä hän, Erik, Sally, all of these stars are really popular and very well known in Finland. Are you?
Yeah, it's cool. I love this place. It's great. I've only been here one day.
So people really seem to know you.
Yeah. It's crazy. I didn't expect it as much as it was. We went to Morimeko.
Yeah, that's a shop. Yeah.
And there's all of these people, and they were everywhere, and I didn't expect it. I was like, oh
and they
my
were there
God.
for you.
Yeah. I was like, okay, cool. You know, I mean,
Okay.
I thought it was cool.
Adrian France ei todellakaan osannut odottaa ympärilleen sellaista suosiota ja hässäkkää, minkä hän on kokenut muun muassa eilen Marimekon myymälässä vieraillessaan täällä Helsingissä, mutta kuten ilmeistä näkyi, tyttö pitää kokemastaan. Thank you for your visit.
Yes, thank you.
Good to have you here.
It was nice meeting you.
So now we have news. Eli hyvät ystävät, katsojat seuraavaksi vuodessa 9 uutista. Thanks.
Thank you.
Ja.